First reading, 2 John chapter 1 verse 4 to 9. It has given me great joy to find that children of yours have been living the life of truth as we were commanded by the Father, and now I am asking you, dear lady, not as though I were writing you a new commandment, but only the one which we have had from the beginning, that we should love one another. To love is to live according to his commandments. This is the commandment which you have heard since the beginning, to live a life of love. There are many deceivers at large in the world, refusing to acknowledge Jesus Christ as coming in human nature. They are the deceiver, they are the Antichrist. Watch yourselves, or all our work will be lost and you will forfeit your full reward. If anybody does not remain in the teaching of Christ, but goes beyond it, he does not have God with him. Only those who remain in what he taught can have the Father and the Son with them. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 1 19 verse 1, 2, 10, 11, 17, 18. How blessed are those whose way is blameless, who walk in the law of Yahweh. Blessed are those who observe his instructions, who seek him with all their hearts. With all my heart I seek you, do not let me stray from your commandments. In my heart I treasure your promises, to avoid sinning against you. Be generous to your servant and I shall live, and shall keep your words. Open my eyes and I shall fix my gaze on the wonders of your law. Gospel, Luke chapter 17 verse 26 to 37. As it was in Noah's day, so will it also be in the days of the Son of Man. People were eating and drinking, marrying wives and husbands, right up to the day Noah went into the ark, and the flood came and destroyed them all. It will be the same as it was in Lot's day. People were eating and drinking, buying and selling, planting and building. But the day Lot left Sodom, it rained fire and brimstone from heaven and it destroyed them all. It will be the same when the day comes for the Son of Man to be revealed. When that day comes, no one on the housetop, with his possessions in the house, must come down to collect them, nor must anyone in the fields turn back. Remember Lot's wife. Anyone who tries to preserve his life will lose it, and anyone who loses it will keep it safe. I tell you, on that night, when two are in one bed, one will be taken, the other left. When two women are grinding corn together, one will be taken, the other left. There will be two men in the field, one will be taken, the other left behind. In some Western manuscripts appears to be a scribal assimilation to MT 24 verse 40. USCCB, the disciples spoke up and asked, "Where, Lord?" He said, "Where the body is, there too will the vultures gather."